Hello, my name is Jason, and I'm a field service technician with Tennant. I've worked for Tennant for 10 years. I primarily work on gas, diesel, LP, hydraulics, and battery-operated machines. Tennant Company also has commercial technicians who work on only battery and corded equipment. I'll be taking you on a virtual ride today. One of the reasons why I enjoy my job is because I feel like I'm running my own business. I look forward to showing you this during our ride along today. Tennant equips me with a vehicle, laptop, iPad, phone, hotspot, fuel, and accessories. All the things necessary for me to take care of my customers and territory from my van or home. I'm going to log my start time and receive these parts in FSM, finish up my monthly safety training, and then I'll be on my way. Today we'll be headed to one of my customers that I have serviced for 10 years. I've taken ownership of my territory and run it like it's my own business. I'm the face of Tennant, and by doing so, I help drive customer loyalty while delivering a profitable area. I scheduled my customers after I've confirmed the request and provided them with an ETA. I'm going to call my contact now and inform them that I'm on the way. They have multiple units down at this location, so we need to get rolling quickly. Looking at the repair request in FSM, it looks like we have a T7 and a T16 AMR that both need work here. The AMR is Tennant's autonomous unit that can run a pre-programmed route without having a rider. It's pretty cool technology. I'm leaving the house earlier than normal this morning because I want to make my daughter's baseball game this afternoon. I've already ran this past my manager and pre-planned my day accordingly. I definitely appreciate the flexibility that Tennant Company offers their technicians, which provides a great work-life balance for days like today. This customer is about an hour away, so we should also beat traffic. Now that we've arrived, we're going to log our time and check FSM to see if any other work has come in for this customer. We're also going to check email in case customers or teammates are trying to reach out. Then we're going to call the customer and let them know that we've arrived. Tennant Company, this is Jason.
Hey Jason, it's Ricardo. I'm working on a T7 and I haven't seen this before.
Hey Ricardo, what's going on?
The scrub deck doesn't seem to be going down all the way, and the brush motors are spinning, and it's not on the service manual.
You're going to need your amp clamp to diagnose this one. We have a great support network here for everyone. If you've been at Tennant Company a short time or are one of the most seasoned technicians, we all need help at some point. There's peer-to-peer support, a lead technician in every territory, and we also have our service tech support center.
Hey, Jason.
Hi, Jackie. How's it going today?
How are you? Good
Not
to
too
see you.
bad. So I have a work order on your T16 and your T7. Can you tell me what's going on?
Yeah, they're both down.
Okay.
And we have a really big inspection coming up, and I'm hopeful you can help me out today and get them back up and running.
We'll do what we can.
Come on back.
First, we're going to look at this AMR. We will try and duplicate the issue and then see if there are any service codes logged. We had an error for the right side camera not able to read. We replaced it and we were able to clear the fault. Now that we have fixed this issue, I'm going to fill out the notes in FSM, input the hour meter, and review all the information. And then I'll return the machine to working status so my customer gets billed quickly and accurately. So the customer stated that this machine has low runtime. Let's do some basic troubleshooting to see if we can find the cause. It looks like the batteries aren't taking a full charge. Let's check the charger to see if that's the problem. It appears the charger is working fine. It looks like the batteries must be replaced. Let's go talk to the customer. Okay, Jackie, we've determined the charger is good. Your batteries need to be replaced.
Okay.
So for parts, it's going to be $1,000 and labor is going to be $152.
Okay.
I have a set of batteries on my truck. We can make it work today.
Yeah, let's do it. I need to pass that inspection. I'll go get the new PO for you.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you.
I've received the purchase order from the customer, so now I'll contact field service support and have it added to this task.
Tennant Company, this is Zach. How can I help you today?
Hey Zach, it's Jason from Fargo. I have a purchase order number that I need you to add to task number 741582 for me. The PO number is 2354A as in apple.
Sure. Next time you sync, the PO will be on the task.
Thanks. So while I was back there, I took a look at the M30
Okay.
that we did a lot of work to last time.
Great.
Would you like me to have sales reach out about replacement?
Yeah, let's do it. I need it working.
Okay.
Yep.
If I could get a signature?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Have a great day. We were able to get both of the machines fixed today. That makes it a great day. Well, let's go watch a ball game.